In this video I will show you how to make transparent text effect in Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Go to Type tool. Size increase. Type your text. Adjust the text. Now we will make a copy by dragging the text layer. Now we will bring the above text layer behind the image layer. Now we will right-click on the top text layer. Choose the blending option. Click Stroke. Follow these settings. Press OK. Now we will fill the text to 0. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.